Hello there and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can add an image asset to your Figma project. So you have already seen the first way of adding an image, and that first way involves using this shortcut Ctrl+Shift+K, or pressing this actual place image tool in our toolbar. So with that, we will be able to basically open up our window, our browse window, where we can select what kind of image we want to import. But did you know that there are also a couple of different ways as well? So for example, what we can do, we can also create some custom shape right here in our screen, and then we can add the image directly to that shape. So I have already told you that the image within the layers of our Figma project basically represents just a simple shape on top of which we have specified and added one image. So for example, I can now create a circle or even some custom shape with the pen tool. So let's select the pen tool. Now I'm going to just create here some custom object by myself. For example, something like this, right? Now we can just remove the stroke, for example. We can even specify the fill color. We can change the fill color, there we go. And now what we can do, we can select the fill again, only this time we can choose not the solid or any other different gradients which we can choose as well from here. We can select the image. And as soon as we select that image, the default image will be this one, right? So this is a default image which just represents the empty state or the empty image within our shape. Now from there we can choose this choose image option, and then we can select our actual image, right? There you go. So as simple as that, right? Now there are also a couple of different more options that we can use to actually import different image assets. So for example, now this time I want to create, for example, let's say maybe one ellipse, so like that. And this time I'm not going to go to this fill and choose this image option. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my desktop, and from here I'm going to just copy this image. So I can press the right click and then copy, or I can press Ctrl+C to copy this image. And then I'm going to select this image and press the shortcut to paste, so Ctrl+V. And with that, we will be able to paste that image directly to that selected shape, which is our ellipse, right? So pretty useful shortcut. We can of course also just drag and drop that image to our project like that. There you go. So that's also another way. And there you go. So now you have learned a couple of different ways which we can use to actually import our image assets. And for this video, that'll be all.